Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I got for you a really nice, clean Bobcat S250. Machine is a 2005, has 2,687 hours, I believe. This machine I've owned for probably 8-9 months. I bought it back in March last year. We used it here. It's right behind you. You'll see a big topsoil pile remaining, which I'll go over here and push in. I bought this. We've used it here for testing a bunch of Bobcat brand attachments, and we also used it. We sold a bunch of this topsoil that we had. We used it for loading out topsoil. Machine is cab heat air. It is dual control. It is 2-speed. And I've kind of held this machine to sell it here going into fall because of it being in the winter. Guys will be looking for machines for snow plowing, and 2-speed's a big deal. So really a nice clean machine here. We've been through it. Paint is, the majority of the white paint's original. Anything I can say, typical Bobcat powder coat right up front here. We did touch the white up. Has brand new wheels and tires on it. Back door's been painted in the black. So we're going to take you through this thing. We're going to show you everything about it, show you everything we know, and go through it here. Back door is good and straight. If you look down here in the bottom, there's one ding down here in the bottom. Look, at Mark Supply, we try to be 110% honest about stuff. We're not out to hide anything. We're not out to hurt anybody. And everybody and their brother, you know, they think, what are we hiding? What are we doing? We're not. You want to come here and see us on a day-to-day operation, you're more than welcome to do so. We're not having anything to hide. We have put probably 50 hours on this machine easily. It has been serviced. Everything there is in good condition. Engine oil, fuel filter, everything. Whenever I bought it, I did put a brand new starter on it. We did put new belts on it. I want everybody to take a look up in here. I had almost $1,000 doing it. I put new air conditioner compressor. We put all new air conditioning lines on. Had the system vac, had it charged. Air conditioning works good. Inner and outer cab filters have been put in. You know, nothing there. We left an imagination on the air conditioning system. It's pretty good. Kubota V 3300 4-cylinder turbo diesel. They're about, and the 250s are 75 horsepower. Really a good running working machine. Same motor, it's in the 300s. The 300 just has a couple more horsepower basically where they set the governing screw in the motor, but that is the same engine. So really a good running working machine. So let's take you on. Your back door shuts like it's supposed to. None of the boom back here is welded nor busted. There is some paint chip areas. I didn't touch any of that up. We just did the front boom. None of the cylinders have any leaks. We actually did all the cylinders on it when I bought it. Does have the 7-pin attachment control device. I want you to see here the hydraulic tank is full. Tires we put on when I did buy it, so they were new to wheels and tires. They've got about 50 hours on them now. But I want everybody to understand that. Comes with a brand new CID Extreme 72-inch low pro bucket. This machine does have cab, heat, air, power quick attach. This was a gold package machine when it was new in 05. Auxiliary hydraulics, does have the 7-pin attachment control device here, which does work, okay. Front door is in good shape, other than it does not have the wiper assembly on it, nor am I putting one on. If you want one, you can buy them online and put it on. It's not an issue there. One other thing before I forget, we did put both the power Bobcat hydraulic lines on to go clear up through the boom. They are brand new. We'll hop in the cab here. I'm going to show you. Front steps are good. Heading into the cab, nothing is rusted or rotted. You know, a lot of these machines, they are. This thing is not. See there, the glow plug timer works the way it's supposed to. Okay, started 2687 on the hours. I'll hold this for the codes. None. Hydraulic bucket positioning. So over here, your switch is there for your wiper if you choose to put one on. There, the air conditioning is. That green light must light up on a machine that has air conditioning if it is charged and working. There, it's off. Works excellent. You can see there a brand new cabin filter. The machine is dual control, so you can run on hand and foot or just hand only by flipping this button right here, which I will do for you and show you that the hand controls work and the foot controls work. While we're here, let's go ahead. I do want to show you the other side of this machine so you can see it matches up to the other side. Again, we did touch this white paint up just on the front. So coming back here, all original. Up here, nothing's welded or busted. All the safety panels are on. Leak-free machine. This thing is not a piece of junk. We'll go ahead now. I'm going to fire it up. We'll run it. We'll put her in the dirt pile, and you can see it work. guys, I hope you can see there from this video, we've showed you 2-speed works, we've showed you our quick attach works, we've showed you foot, hand control, all work. That thing I had to reach up, you'll see me in the video reaching up in the ceiling. I got to shut the heat off and actually flip the air conditioning on. That thing has a heater in it that will roast yourself out. Matter of fact, we had found, and I'm going to be honest, it was like an $86 valve we found bad with the heating system we put in. It's from Bobcat. It's actually for the rheostat. That's all new and going through. We like to take the time to kind of go through stuff. We know what we have then. We're not putting a piece of junk out on the market. Don't get me wrong, it's a used machine. You could blow a hose tomorrow. But it is a good, running, clean 2,600 hour machine with 2-speed. And that's a big thing this time of year. So cab, heat, air, power quick attach, dual controls, so you can almost put any type of operator in this and run it. Whether he is used to foot pedals or hand controls, you can do it. So again, if you want to come by and see us yourself in person, let us know. Either Matt or myself will probably take close 40 photos of this machine. New tire, new bucket, ready to go, full service. You can take this thing, go to work today. I have owned this machine, like I said, for about 6 to 7 months, and we've probably put at least 50 hours on it here ourselves. I know what this thing is. It's a good running working machine. We did actually have Bobcat over here while they were doing some work on another machine. Had it plugged in, checked all the updates for the computer and everything. Everything here is good to go. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Urge you to jump on our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Again, we're located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.